What do you think would be the easiest animal to paint? Because it's this one. Get your watercolors. We're going to make circular-ish blobs of color, and I'm going to use bright colors today because it's a gray day outside and I need some color. Can you guess what it's going to be yet? Because next we're going to add stick legs and a beak. Have you guessed it yet? Because they're birds. Brightly, crazy colored birds. So we're going to add an eye and some cute little winglings for our birds. And how you're gonna make that bird wing is just by doing a teardrop shape. That's it. And we're gonna add a whole bunch of line and dot decorations on these guys. And now we're gonna go get a pen. I'm using this white one, but you can use anything you have around the house. And I'm just adding simple dots and lines, that's it. And the last thing these little guys need are some tail feathers. And once I'm done that, I'm just gonna add a couple more simple lines. And there you have it, you're done. You've created these adorable little cute birds. This guy right here, he is my favorite by far. I think he's impeccable.